Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you a hello die that I received from Makers Movement. They are here in Phoenix locally. They are a metal die manufacturer, so they make them here in the US, in Arizona. They are US made. They have a nice ridge, so the cutting is great. And I've cut out a few things. So I've cut out fairly chunky glittered cardstock. Are you gonna focus? There you are. And then I've just cut out regular cardstock and regular pattern paper cardstock. I also kept the cut out and cut it down to, I believe this is a 4 by 5 1/4. Let's see, 5 1/4. So it's a little, just a little over 4. But yes, and so I'm gonna make a shaker out of it. I've already added my foam pieces that I've got from Makers Movement as well. And they did include some shaker sprinkles, and I will be adding that to the card base. So this is how it'll be. I'm not sure if I will use pink or not as the base. I'm still thinking about it. I'll be back. Let me think about it. I need some shaker pieces first. Let's see if I can get this on good. So we need some shaking sounds first. And let's try the color wheels. And these are also from Makers Movement. So color wheel and the rainbow caviar was the first one I put in. Let's move this around. And then peel off these stickies. You don't want to jerk it too much because the shaker sprinkles will fly everywhere. So you want to make sure not to jerk it around. The only reason I know that is by experience. And you can just imagine the mess I had to pick up. Okay, so there's that. I'm going to eyeball this to be evenly on the card front. It might not work, but it'll be close. It's homemade. Let's see, let's see. Yeah, it's a little crooked. This is what I could do, and this is what I'm probably gonna do, is cut it down. Watch. I am going to cut this down. And now, there's my shaker. See it? All the shaker bits. Fun. And now, I can just center it perfectly on here that way. No harm, no foul. If you haven't seen my big roll of tape I love using. Oh, careful, that's hot. Sorry for the shaking. I know I'm shaking it. Now, let's center it on the front of the card. And there we go. Shaker, shaker, hello! If you're new here, welcome. Please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you for supporting. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.